I choose any one of them. Clear, yes, just like that. That's up to you now if you want to reset, cancel, save or preview. Yeah. Okay, this is not real published. Okay, I have to see. I didn't save the draft. You must correct the following error. You must enter one question. Oh, question. Oh, the second question. I'm sorry, I didn't add. Let me delete this. You don't need it. Just go with the page one. One answer question to a patient on the page one. Okay, I think, the question or no answers. I did. I'm not so sure, how do we open it up? Last time. Oh, one question. I just say, oh, okay. I just opened it. You need to delete the third one. There's nothing there. So one to the fourth one, yeah. Okay. Yes, it works. Okay. So whenever you complete now, this will be how likely will you refer? Not likely. Likely. How was your? These are open-ended. Correct, you can write anything. Open. Okay. If you had chosen, let's say so rating scale, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can go and change it anytime. Okay. And you think that if I change it to where is that phone from? Open-ended too. Let's say, so, the 5 skills, or how many skills? Okay. 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 So yes, that is a warning. You can ignore it. That's not a. Then option. Options. And 4. I will give you an option. So there are surveys that you have to complete. Those are mandatory. Okay, but then there are services that you don't want them to be a mandatory field, but it should be. Okay. Yeah. So I'll go. And I'll go to the options based on my requirement. I'll choose my option. So first option is like, is it an anonymous survey? Sometimes we want to give bad feedback about our managers. It should be anonymous. Yeah. So no means you have to fill in your name. Alright. Yes, okay. So the next thing is require for item to completion. If you click on it, it will become a mandatory part. Even if you have completed item, unless you have completed the service, it is not complete. Okay. In how many days? If you put here, let's say, 3 days. Within 3 days. You have to, otherwise this server will start popping out on your home page. Oh, so what if they don't complete? Oh, that is, that your item and everything will remain as is, on the desktop. Okay. Okay. Got it, yeah. Include comments. Comments fields each other, so every time you want you give it a survey after every question. Sometimes you see, right, I choose, and they say okay. Any additional comment you have? Any additional point you have? If the one we just put no. Okay. Got it. And you said okay, apply changes. And based on that, if you want to save a notification, so you click here. Either you go to the HTML. Yeah. Or you can go to the okay. Yeah. And you can make the changes that you want. Okay. Got it, yeah. Can I ask, how do they tabulate the score? How does the LMS tabulate the score? Because earlier we saw some other example. Then they have some mean score. Where can I find information? Yeah. The scoring like. There is a score right for each of us. How do they actually tabulate? It's cool, the options you're talking about, or what? Yeah. If you look at OK, just now, we look at the onboarding right. There is under item usage. Let's go to search. Okay. Okay. Earlier, you created one onboarding. Feedback. Okay, let's go to the onboarding feedback. Yeah, the one that you were sharing earlier. I saw under item usage. Okay. There is score percentage, 33.3 mean score 3. What does this mean? And how do they calculate what is percentage? Oh, this is this one. And the mean score. Yeah, what is mean score? How do I know what the definition? How do they calculate?